Today we're making conch fritters. It's a fun appetizer and a great party snack. Conch can be chewy and kind of tough, so you need to tenderize it well. We start with a meat mallet and then chop it up into very tiny little chunks. After that, it goes into the food processor. About 10 to 15 pulses should do it. And then we add a little diced celery and scotch bonnet peppers for heat. Blend those in, and then we're going to make the batter, starting with red and green bell peppers, more celery, white onion, and a little fresh thyme. Use 2 eggs to bind the ingredients. Stir it up, and then we start on the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, salt, a little black pepper, and curry powder. I like a Caribbean curry. Add club soda and a beer. I used Modelo for this. This will make a really nice, thick, unctuous batter, but it's light when it's fried. Add the vegetables and then the conch. Give it a good stir to mix everything and fry it in peanut oil, about 350 to 375 degrees. Using a cookie scoop will help you portion evenly sized fritters that will cook at the same rate. I like to cool the fritters on a brown paper bag or several layers of it to soak up any excess oil. You're going to love these. They're great with a little dipping sauce like a remoulade, and they're fantastic for party snacks. Grab a beer and enjoy.